Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to do a quick video on my upgrade for my winter. Most of you guys know I have these little 250 watt heaters that I've been using. I also have a buddy heater, but I decided that since I can't get my real fireplace, I decided to go ahead and go with an electric fireplace. So it's pretty cool. So this is my 1500 watt electric fireplace. Yes, 1500 watts. I know a lot of people are like, are you crazy? You can't run that stupid thing. But for me, using this with shore power, I also have the generator. I can also use it with my batteries. I have two deep cycle batteries and a 2000 watt inverter. So I can use this. Obviously, it's going to drain the batteries pretty quick. But with the setup that I have with shore power and stuff like that, it works out really, really well. So, it has like 10 different settings for the flames, 10 different settings for the logs itself. You can take the logs out, put in rocks, which I'm probably not going to do. But it's cool, man. You got different settings for different moods, you know, and it works out really well. But the thing cranks, man. It has a thermostat. It also has a remote control. So this is a side of the unit. It has the power button, the flame control, the log control, the heater on low, the heater on high, the thermostat. Also has the remote control. I velcro to the side. So I have it mounted on my front bulkhead wall right there because yeah, I mean, I wanted to put it a little bit lower down there, but when I built the wall, I didn't put studs all the way down because of the pocket door. So I might have to fabricate something if I want to put it a little bit lower, because the heat comes out the top right there. So which, I mean, it cranks, no, you know, there's no ifs, ands, buts about that. But maybe I might move it down a little bit lower. I'm not sure. I like it where it is because it's still out of the way. And when I come in and out of the van, I'm not hitting myself on it. And I also have a lot more room down there at the bottom for other stuff. So, so it works out really well. But the thing is pretty dang on cool. Yes, it's 1500 watts, and a lot of people probably wouldn't be able to use this in their van, depending on their setup. But like I said, I have shore power. I've got the generator if I need it, and I can still run it off my batteries. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I still have my little heaters, and I also have my buddy heater as well. I'm trying to stay away from the buddy heater as much as I can. I mean, obviously there's certain times that I'm going to need it if I can't use the electric, but yeah. This little heater is pretty awesome. It's working out really well, like I said. So, yeah, just a real quick video. This is my upgrade on my electric. Wintertime, cold. This thing cranks. It's awesome. It's pretty cool. I appreciate you guys watching the video. My upgrade winter fireplace in my van. It's friggin' it's pretty awesome. It's pretty cool. Y'all have a good day. Drive safe. I am going to Washington, D.C. tomorrow. And Sunday, I'm going to the Redskins Giants football game. So it's going to be pretty awesome. But anyway, I appreciate the new subscribers. Thank you for watching. I live full time in a van with my dog. Y'all have a good day. Drive safe.